Good morning, everybody. It is day number 17 of the 100X challenge. This is April 22nd, and we are looking at a crazy week in the market. Yesterday, S&P struggled along with Tesla and other tech companies. Tesla was the big concern that we had going into Monday. Looking at where we're at today, it's actually not too bad, and Tesla's having a minor recovery. If we look at the weekly income report right here, you can see that we're actually only down $150 on this position. I really thought we'd be underwater a lot more than this. So I'm very happy to see that, we took a kind of an aggressive position. I was bullish on Friday, if you remember. I came out and I said, hey, this is how I roll. I'm a bull when it comes to Tesla. Well, I did a lot of research over the last few days, and I was absolutely wrong. I should have played this a lot more safe. Going forward, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to play these weekly income positions. It will be much different than I did on Friday. But overall, not too bad. If we switch over to the strategy account, strategy is absolutely mooning at this very moment, 19 points up. Percentage-wise, that is a lot. IBIT is doing the same thing. Bitcoin's just had a nice run over the last few days. And you can see on the income, we are up $390 for this position. Excellent. Even though I had a strike price that was low, even though this 45.5 call that we took on Friday is down 990, the base position here is up 1362. All we care about is this combined green number, what the PL open is. And one thing that I want to do that I want to switch up, every Friday, I want to close these income positions, and I'm going to reopen new ones. It'll just make it a lot easier for us to track the profit and loss every single week and to track our progress. It's just a different way of doing things, and I have some new ideas as well that I'm about to show you. But looking at the strategy trade here, up $2,000 on these longer term positions. Going back to Tesla as well, the longer term positions are down 1,000. So strategy is absolutely crushing Tesla in this department right now. Tesla's up $2,600 in a matter of weeks, where Tesla has struggled. So 26% up on the strategy account. Compare that to the underlying stock, which is only 13%. So we've doubled the production of the actual underlying stock, where Tesla has suffered a little bit, and we are trailing the underlying stock of Tesla. Big earnings day today for Tesla. The premiums are absolutely wild. If you are an option seller, today is the day to be selling options on Tesla. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this defensively, so you don't have to worry about the downside. If there's a miss, if there's a disappointment in the call, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to play this conservatively and still likely make hundreds of dollars in the next 3 days. We are up 506. It's a happy day. So what you see in this thumbnail is the difference from the last video. So in the last 4 days, we are up $506. That is great news. Looking at the ledgers here, you can see we are up 11% on the strategy account, and on the Tesla account, we are down 8.6%. That is from the last video, April 16th. All right, every Tuesday, what I want to do is adjust my positions if necessary. And on the IBIT side, I don't think there is a reason to adjust the positions. This is kind of what we're looking at, 44 and 48.5. I could move this 48.5 up, gain a little bit more premium, but I risk the downside, so I'm not gonna do that. We'll just go ahead and leave it as is. Come Friday, I may do a little repositioning here. This August 15th is okay, but I think that we could do better. And you can see if Bitcoin does continue to rise, we'll be fine. We'll still be up at least $300 going into Friday. So switching over to Tesla, and this is where I made a mistake. So I put a 250 as my strike price going into earnings. I still think Tesla could absolutely get above 250 after today. However, what I need to remember is that even though these are high growth accounts and I want to be more on the aggressive side, I still need to protect the account. I cannot lose the money before I'm able to grow it. And so if you look at this chart for a second, you can see that if Tesla does make a move down, and let's just say we go down to 215 by Friday, we're going to be down $700. We cannot afford to lose $700 on the income side of this account. And so what I plan to do is do something like this. Now, if we pull over to my new positions that I will be setting up today, I am actually going to set it up to where if it goes down to 210, we'll actually break even. 215 will make money, 220 will make money, 225 will make money. Going all the way up to 300, we're still making money. What this is going to require is for me to actually move down my expiration of the underlying call. So the synthetic call 175, I'm going to take the 175. Let's see, it was a 225 on August. I'm actually going to move and roll that down to 175 expiring May 30th. But the 220 here is the key. So instead of going at the money, which would have been like 232.5, we're going to bring this down to, what was that, 220? We want this to be a point, like a 0.9 delta. That's 0.88, close enough. We want this to be right around 0.7. So 222.5. This is probably where I'll go, 222.5. And wow, look at how much money you can still make just by getting in today. This is insane. This is crazy. People are going absolute. This is crazy. Am I reading this incorrectly? We'll see. We're going to have to take a screen capture of this chart. All right, so that's going to be the new position that I take, 175 and 225. So bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and make this switch, 175 and 222.5. Best thing I could probably do here is just close these out and start fresh. So I'm gonna close this out with a $61 loss for Tesla, which is fine. I'm very happy with that. All right, closing this for a credit of $3,690. Okay, that is filled. Excellent. It's nice when they get filled right away. All right, and then we're going to sell the 222.5, and we're going to buy May 30th the 175 for a total of 45.35. There we go. All right, and that's it for today. It's a very simple, short adjustment video. Friday's going to be very, very interesting to see how things play out. But if you're watching this right now and you like this content, please let me know in the comments. I started creating these for fun and to document this journey for myself, but I'm very surprised at the amount of views coming from YouTube. So if you found me, tell me how. And if you enjoy watching these, tell me why you enjoy it. What are you interested in getting out of this video? Is it the curiosity of seeing what happens? Are you interested in learning and seeing live trades? Just tell me more information if you can. I want to adjust and improve these videos, whether it's moving faster, whether it's moving slower, whether it's giving you more education. More feedback is absolutely going to help me create better content for you guys. If you're interested in finding more about me and my content, head to mobipie.com and you'll find that all my socials are here, along with all the companies that I am building. So I do this twice per week. I spend probably about an hour twice per week, and it's not hard to make money using these type of techniques, and hopefully I can prove that over time. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on Friday.